Oh, you could. But I'm
You
not gonna
could,
do
but not this size. It's too small.
it. Be careful, the stinker's stinging out.
Looks like a new.
That's why it felt so big. They haven't got stingers on tail, Luke.
Nah.
These guys are completely harmless.
Wow.
You caught a shovel nose, mate. I'm so jealous.
Hang on.
Get that. Yeah, get that hook.
You want me to flip them over?
After that,
Oh,
I
I
got both.
No, one's one in the net.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so lucky. After this, I'm definitely getting a photo with this shovel nose.
Yeah, can you get those photos? Those were they?
Yeah. Where's the towel?
Just be careful of his teeth because you can see those teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah,
no,
the grinders.
Where's the towel?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm so jealous. You caught a shovel nose.
And this is rare to see this far up river.
In general, I've seen 3 people catch shovel noses this small. That's it.
Okay, just watch. Okay, now watch the teeth.
Yeah. Got it.
He's such a cute little guy.
Wow.
I've never caught one of them.
There you go.
And I've only seen them in aquariums too.
Mhm.
I've only seen these in aquariums.
He's a beautiful creature. Alright,
Okay.
Luke, just release him whatever way you want.
I like this size better. Ready?
That's a shovel nose.
Yep.
Shovel nose shark. There you go. You just caught one of the rarest things.
What's he doing?
Head down, get your head down, get your head down.
Yep,
there you go.
Wow.
Congrats.